Electrical noise is any type of unwanted signals that cannot be measured by proper equipments. Electrical noise can affect a wide range of devices and industrial electronics, such as motors, drivers, transmitters, sensors, and coil-operated devices. Now let's check some ways to reduce the electrical noise. Use shielded cables for connections. Ground signal common wiring to a single point. Shield a small component with a metallic ventilated enclosure tied to ground. Isolate remote signals and isolate incoming power with proper isolation methods like isolation transformers. And isolate incoming power with proper isolation methods like isolation transformers.